Hello everyone, myself Pratiksha Misal and my topic of the seminar is applications of radioisotopes. Radioisotopes. Radioisotopes are radioactive isotopes of an element. They can also be defined as atoms that contain an unstable combination of neutrons and protons or an excess energy in their nucleus. Radioisotopes, also called radioisotopes, radionuclide or radioactive nuclide, any of several species of the same chemical element with different masses whose nuclei are unstable and dissipate excess energy by spontaneously emitting radiation in the form of alpha, beta, and gamma rays. Example: hydrogen, the lightest element, has three isotopes with mass numbers 1, 2, and 3. Then, applications of radioisotopes. Isotopes have same chemical properties, hence they behave in a given chemical reaction in an identical manner. However, in a case of radioactive isotopes, the property of radioactive is preserved by it during the reaction. Hence, the presence as well as the passage of radioisotopes in a chemical reaction can be found by detecting its radioactivity with the help of Geiger counter or suitable device. Due to above properties, radioisotopes are widely used in first industries, second medicine, third agriculture, and fourth one biosciences. First application is industries. The use of radioisotopes in industries ensures good quality products and brings down the cost of manufacture by ways of sensitive, non-destructive testing and efficient in process control. Industrial applications of radioisotopes and radiations can be broadly classified into three categories: radiation processing, non-destructive testing, and radio tracer applications. Uses of radiation processing: radiation sterilization of medical products. Ionization sterilization has been effectively employed as bactericides for sterilizations of medical products and devices on commercial scale. This technique is mainly a cold process. It is used for disposable industrial devices made from heat-sensitive plastics. A dose of 25 kg is given to the seal packages containing the products to achieve sterilization. Sludge hydrogenation. Sewage sludge is rich in organic matter, nutrients, and trace elements and merits recycling for economic consideration. The raw sludge contains a very high concentration of pathogens which are responsible for causing infectious diseases like typhoid, cholera, and hepatitis. Hence, the sludge needs to be treated before being released for use as a manure. The pathogen concentration in sewage sludge is reduced by treatment with about 3 to 5 kg of radiation dose. When air containing smoke enters this compartment, the resultant ionization current is compared with the ionization emitted from the closed compartment. The alpha particles emitted by the decays of 24 am ionize the air, split the air molecules into electrons and positive ions, and generate a small current of electricity that is measured by a current sensitive circuit. This is a diagram of smoke detector. Smoke particles are catch up in the ionization chamber. Second application is medicine. There are many examples of use of radioisotopes both for diagnostic and therapeutic purposes. Radioiodine 131 iodine is used in the medicine to diagnose the activity of thyroid gland and also for its treatment. The intense gamma radiation obtained from radiocobalt 60C are used in the treatment of cancer under the name cobalt therapy. For checking up the circulation of blood in a particular limb of the patient, a minute radiosodium 24Na in a form of NaCl solution is used. Gamma rays are used for the sterilization of medical products. Isotopes used in the medicine. Palladium 103 17D used to make brachytherapy permanent implant seeds for early stage prostate cancer. Phosphorus 32 14D used in the treatment of polycythemia vera excess red blood cells. Beta emitter. Potassium 32 12H used for the determination of exchangeable potassium in coronary blood flow. Next is diagnostic techniques in nuclear medicine. The positron emission tomography or PET scan was the first diagnostic tool invented by Peter Alfred Wolf that used radioactive isotopes in medicine. New procedures combine PET with computed X-ray tomography (CT scan) to give co-registration of the two images PET-CT, enabling 30% better diagnostics than with traditional gamma camera alone. It is a very powerful and significant tool which provides unique information on a wide variety of diseases from dementia to cardiovascular diseases and cancer oncology. Therapeutic applications of radioisotopes typically are intended to destroy the targeted cells. This approach forms the basis of radiotherapy, which is commonly used to treat cancer and other conditions involving abnormal tissue growth such as hyperthyroidism. This is show how two radioisotopes are used in medicines. Third application is agriculture. By using 45Ca as a tracer, it has been possible to measure the uptake of calcium by plants from the soil. In respect of phosphate fertilizer, it is possible to find optimum amount of the fertilizer and the stage of growth at which it should be applied with the help of label isotope 32P. Mutant varieties of high-yielding crop plants are developed by irradiating the seeds with gamma rays from a radioactive source. Gamma rays 60CO isotopes are used for the preservation of onions and potatoes. Radiations from certain radioisotopes were also used for killing insects which damage the food grains. Agriculture plant science. Study the effectiveness of fertilizer. Nitrogen 15 or phosphorus 32 is added to the soil water. After plant absorbs the soil water, the radioisotopes can track uptake of fertilizer from root to leaves. Radioisotopes are used to kill pests and parasites and control the ripening of fruits. Induce genetic mutation in plants, better strain and higher resistance against diseases. This is diagrammatically representation of nitrogen and sulfur fluxes. Fourth application is biological sciences. Radioisotopes and radiation techniques have scientifically contributed to the study biology and bioscience, particularly experimental biology. Some representative applications are given below. First, important pathways and biosynthesis of low molecular weight substances have been understood by the use of 3H and 14C label organic compounds. Second, radioimmunoassay RIA has been an active subject of interest in the biomedical field and is now used for the measurement of most of the hormones, drugs, vitamins, viruses, etc. Autoradiography technique is conjunction with microscopic has been employed in the study of DNA replication and study of protein synthesis. In addition of 14C and 3H, the other common isotopes used in biology for various studies and 32P and 35S. Radioactivity detectors can be attached to gas liquid chromatography or HPLC columns to monitor radioactivity coming of the column during separation. Radioisotopes used in diagnostic purposes. Radioactive iodine uptake and imaging reveals the functional status of thyroid tissue, including nodules, the whole thyroid gland, and metastatic foci. 131 iodine is used for thyroid cancer imaging and management. 123 iodine is used for thyroid scan. Radioisotopes are widely used in the study of mechanism and rate of absorption, accumulation, and translocation of inorganic and organic compounds in the animals. It's all about applications of radioisotopes. Thank you.